इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं MBA in Marketing Abroad under the budget of 30 lakhs. That's what we are going to discuss in this episode. So, whenever you're planning for marketing, I mean, it's a over green or green specialization when it comes to MBA. And if you're planning for abroad and you have a budget of 30 lakhs, then what all colleges you can look when it comes to MBA in marketing from abroad under the budget of 30 lakhs, that what we are going to discuss in this episode. So the first institution we have is Business and Hotel Management School, which is in Switzerland. The fee structure is 29.7 lakhs. You need to write IELTS with 6 band minimum, and yes, they also offer accommodation as well. Moving to the next institution, that is the University of Newcastle, which is in Australia. The fee structure is 28.4 lakh rupees. You need to have 79 in TOEFL, IELTS 6.5. It's a public university which offers accommodation and scholarship. Moving to third, which is St. John's University, New York, USA. The fee structure is 27.7 lakh rupees. They accept IELTS and TOEFL and also offer scholarship and accommodation. But this moving to the next institution, that is California State University, Los Angeles, which is in USA. The fee structure is 27.1 lakh rupees. TOEFL in you need to have 80 in TOEFL, IELTS 6. Public university which offers accommodation as well. Moving to the next, again, these are the colleges what I am discussing when you're planning for marketing from abroad under the budget of 30 lakh rupees. But let's say if you can slightly, want a lesser budget colleges, or above 30 lakh budget colleges, you wanted to have some, आपकी कुछ needs हैं जिसके basis पे आप college देखना चाहते हैं and जानना चाहते हैं, तो नीचे जो profile analysis form दिया है उसको fill करके भी आप details ले सकते हैं. We have Nottingham Trent University which is in UK. 27 lakh का fee structure है, 6.5 IELTS में है, PT 62 है. It's a public university जो कि scholarship and accommodation offer करती है. Then we have Edge Hill University which is in UK. राइट 26.6 का फी स्ट्रक्चर है, आईएलटीएस में 6.5 बेंच चाहिए. पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है जो कि स्कॉलरशिप भी ऑफर करती है एंड अकोमोडेशन भी ऑफर करती है. मूविंग नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट इज बेसिकली द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यू मैक्सिको व्हिच इज इन यूएसए. द फी स्ट्रक्चर इज 26.2 लाख रुपीस, 79 टॉफल में होना चाहिए, 6.5 इन आईएलटीएस. द पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी व्हिच ऑफर्स accommodation. Then we have University of Greenwich in London, UK. The fee structure is 25.5 lakh rupees, 6 IELTS, public university which offers accommodation. Then we have Baruch College, New York, right? The fee structure is 25.4 lakh and they accept TOEFLs and IELTS. Comes under all the category. Public university offers accommodation and scholarship. And we have Bangor University, UK. The fee structure is 23.4 lakh, IELTS 6, PT 56. It's a public university which offer accommodation. And that's all about this episode. So I hope you liked it. Do share it with your friends. And for more such a video like this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.